In this video we are going to see how to use Dodge and Burn tool. Let's get started. I have taken a very good picture. Unlock the layer. Ctrl J to copy the layer. Go to Layer, New Layer. Select the gray color. Change the normal mode to overlay. Check the box. Click OK. Go to an adjustment layer. Select Curves. Create two curves. In one curve, slightly increase the level, and in another one, decrease the level. Now change both the modes to luminosity. Click Ctrl I for inverse selection in both the layers. Check whether these boxes are in the same while unhiding the eye. Rename both layers as Dodge and Burn. Dodge means bright and Burn means dim. Select the brush tool, opacity as 5%, and start brush over the brighten area in the Dodge. Select the Burn layer. This is the before, and this is the after. If you have any doubts regarding this video, kindly drop your words in the comment section. Thank you.